Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon. So today we'll go through the Vue.js simple navigation application. So how it configured and how it is used. So I'll not spend much time on the Vue.js configuration and other things like project setup and other things. So I'll directly go into the project components of it. So let us understand the project structure of it. So you can see all the modules, assets and components and routes and service which I added as a configured as a different structure here based on the convenient of mine. So you can have as per your convenient, but this is the generic structure what you have. So let us understand the package.json, what all the dependencies currently I am using for this project. So you can see the main dependencies which I am using Axio, which is not required for this because I am integrating with the Spring Boot microservice applications, but in general these are the dependencies currently I am using. So I'm using Vue router for the navigation purpose, all those things, and bootstrap view version and everything. So this is the how the package.json looks like for this application for me. And let us understand app.vue. So where this is the main page where it will be loaded, you can see there's a configuration which I have done. For that header there is an app navigation. For the main container, like a content page, what you can call it as a router navigation. So the content will be displayed based on the route and header will be there based on the configuration of the header. So if you look at my app.navigation, so if you see I have configured the navigation bar here. So if you look at, you can see this is my navigation bar where I have a home, dashboard, catalog, orders as my different pages, or maybe you can call it as a different menus. So the same is configured here. So I have configured these things as a based on the router links. You can see these are the router links I'm used. So everything is falls under the router link config everything. And the two is dependencies like router link, if it is a catalog, should go to the catalog page, should go to the dashboard, should go to the dashboard. So this is the link, router link which I am using. So if you see, if I click on the dashboard, it is in the, if I click on the catalog, it is showing the catalog page. If we click on the order, it is showing the order page. If we click on the home, it is showing the home page. See, again same the dashboard and the catalog. This is how it works here. So where did I configure this? So if you look at this, my main.js, I have configured all the components. This is the import of whatever the configuration you make, but this is the main routes where you're going to configure your navigation. So if you see slash, if it is a path is slash home, redirect to component as home. If it is a dashboard, redirect to dashboard component. Profile, if it is go to profile, like catalog and everything. This is a generic one which I have, but based on individual features, like I have a multiple routes here, like in the catalog I have a multiple routes, in the order I have a multiple routes, so that all the routes I have configured into one constant, like that's the routes, and that is again configured as a part of the, or exposed as a part of the Vue router. So that routes will be as, so if you look at my routes here, so you can see home, dashboard and everything. So there is respect to first page. For example, there is separate routes as well, catalog routes and the order routes which are configured. If you see, for readability purpose, I just created some other routes where I can import it directly. See, the add review as is a part of our catalog route, because if I go to my catalog page, see there is a navigation called add review. So it will go to the add review page, and then it will just go to the different navigation page again after clicking that. So that's why I categorized into a group of those routes into one page, so that I have created another just a JS file to configure those routes, so that you can configure as many as required and as you like into combining to a different classes. So this is one more important, like if the path is star, if it not found anything which is configured, suppose there is, I'll put it as a something like test. If you see there is, if that route is not found, it just redirect to page not exist. So if route found, it just redirect to that particular page. So it's a very simple concept using a routes. You just need to configure the name and the path of that particular route and particular page which you created, navigation page, and it will just redirect to that using a Vue router concept which is built in by the Vue.js. We have that in the application. Okay, this is a one of the way, and we have a different way to achieve this as well, and how to pass a values or arguments or the parameters along with the navigation, everything I'll come up with in the next video. So that's all for the today's discussion. Thank you. Thanks a lot.